Hey guys, what's going on?
Today's video is all about all the safety checks that we do before we leave on our first overnight passage that we did together.
These are just safety checks I think everybody should do, especially if you're going for a long distance. And it was a long distance for us since we'd never done it before. We'd never done an overnight passage. We actually had never done a passage this long, just us, like 150 miles. That's what it's about, all the different things. This whole list of things anyway that we did. And also, on top of that, it was also an indoctrination for her to understand some of the systems on the boat. Like she started the engine, she learned how to use the Epirb, learned how to use safety vests, jack lines, harnesses. We went through some of that as well.
This is short clips of not all of the safety checks, but all the ones that we filmed.
Yeah, I did a shitload of them. They're not all on here. You'd be bored if you watched all of them. All right, bye. Here is the dripless stuffing box. See, water's kind of squirting out. So just enough water kind of squirts out. So I found this guy, like it was right here, and it was rusted. It broke apart. I'm gonna replace all of these. While I'm at it, this is a big safety thing. Emergency positional locator beacon. This is registered again with the same authorities as those personal locator beacons. If we needed to activate it, like if the boat went down, we would activate it. If we abandoned ship, you slide this over and you press the button, and that's how you activate it. Based on the size of your boat, the Coast Guard recommends a certain amount of fire extinguishers to be on board. Pull the pin. There's a pin here. Press, and then sweep at the base of the fire. This is your life vest. This has your name on it. So it's yours. You know what's yours all the time.
Okay.
In here, you're gonna have one of these guys. Personal locator beacon.
You better not hit my head and then push me overboard. Try. wait, I have to learn how to do it.
No.
Ooh,
Yeah.
ooh, ooh.
You probably like that.
What would I use a knife for? Catching fish when I'm floating around in the water?
Fight off sharks.
I'm hungry!
Yeah.
These are the tethers?
Yeah,
No.
that goes to you. Make sure you clip on both rings. It's designed for both.
Got that.
Yeah. You always want to be clipped in one of them. At night or in rough weather, we're always going to be attached. Always at night. Always when there's only one person up there at night. Always when we're going, if we have to do anything up there. The jack line run from the bow to the stern of the boat. It just gives you something to slide your. So when you're on a boat, there's only one captain. Whoever that designated person it could be.
But does that change?
Could be me. Could
Like
be.
on watch?
No. It's always one
Always.
person
So it
that's
doesn't,
responsible
like every
for
4
the
hours,
vessel.
it doesn't change.
There's always one person that's responsible for the vessel. Let's say during a particular passage. You could change it during the next passage. The captain is responsible for the overall making the decision, but he or she should, as a good captain, as a good leader in general, whether it's business or whatever it is, should take the input of everybody around him who has different life experiences, different experiences on the water, and take that into consideration in making a decision. But there should only be one decision made, and once it's made, it should be implemented.
What am I doing?
All right, so first thing you want to do is, you see that little lever down there? So you want to make sure that that is in line with the hose. Check the belt tension. Look at coolant. Here's the fuel filters. Make sure there's no coolant in there. You want to turn the power on. You can turn this on autopilot, nav, sometimes radar if it's at night, running lights at night, or anchor light, or make sure it's in neutral. Until it starts. That's good. Now you can hear the engine running.
Is class over yet? Do I know how to sail yet?
Get in there. That's one step. Start the engine. Oh, this is so long. You're like the longest girlfriend I've had. Coasting to friend leaving. Not a real partner. It's been a good friend. So just sold it. My mini. Would I like the money? What mini?
Mini money?
With the radar, you can see these targets moving. It enables you to see, like, hey, this boat's coming at me. How big is this thing? Let's say over here, 33 meters. It's a big ass boat, 6 foot draft, by 8 meters. Tells you the speed.
Oh my god, I now smell the diesel or whatever.
That's diesel. Yep.
Oh, can you get rid of it, please?
It's probably theirs. It's not a fashion statement.